This is an updated video of Download, Popsicle, Bilbo, and Madison. Okay, Download is right here. Yes. Okay, Popsicle, it has the little blue dress on. Hey, Popsicle. Oh, I know. Okay, Bilbo has the little skull outfit on. And then Madison is right there. And he doesn't have anything on. Alright, Download, you're gonna need to calm down, buddy. You keep bumping the camera everywhere. Everywhere, you crazy boy. Oh wait. Let me help you get out of here. Eating. Hey, boys. Oh. Madison. Popsicle. What are you two doing? Hey, Madison. Popsicle. Come on. You want me to take that dress off? Yeah, is that what it is? Alright, come here. I'll take it off. Come here. Come here, baby. I'll take it off. There you go, girl. Oh, Bilbo. Oh, Bilbo. What? Okay, there you go. Oh, your toe's stuck. There you go. There you go. Oh, what? Now you want yours off too? What are you doing, Popsicle? Popsicle.